Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode, guys. This one is going to be a huge one and a very requested box. This box is actually $2,600 and it's from the company Cam's Kicks. Now, Cam's Kicks has been blowing up on YouTube. I've actually talked about them on a previous YouTube episode before, but I've just been seeing a lot of comments and like people hitting me up and saying, you know, can you try out the Cam's Kicks mystery boxes? He's doing mystery boxes now. Let's see what we got over there. So decided to pick one up, and I actually bought this box at the start of December, but it got like held up and stuff with USPS just because of holidays. So it finally got here. Thank you guys for your patience on that, and I'll get into that real quick. But before I do, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community that offers thousands of classes ranging from design, photography, videography, and so much more. And because they have all of these classes, they can literally help you at like any level that you guys are at with your creative endeavors. Like if you guys are a beginner and you need more like step-by-step instructions, they have classes for that. Or if you guys are more advanced and you're just looking to level up your game a bit, they have classes for that as well. And I actually just finished a class over here called DIY Product Photography, Style and Shoot Creative Stills. And this was by Mango Street Lab. And I gotta tell you guys, this class was amazing. Like, you guys figure like we're in the sneaker space, right? And everybody's trying to get like the best shot of the sneakers, rather than just like a plain like on-feet shot of your sneakers, or you know, like an in-hand shot of your sneakers. What this class showed me is how to like get more creative with like taking still images. It really showed me how you can get more unique with your picture taking abilities, how to frame things better, how to get the right lighting, and how to just make a better overall image so you guys can get actually featured on like big like sneaker Instagrams, so that way your content will get shared around a lot more, reposted, and that means your follower count will go up. And again, this was more of a beginner level class, so they literally show you guys like step by step how to do everything, which was really nice. And before I forget, the best thing for me is that Skillshare is affordable, guys. It's literally less than $10 a month, which I think is an absolute steal. And what's even better is that the first 1,000 people to use the link in the description below will actually get to try out Skillshare Premium for free. So I highly recommend you guys use that link. Check out Skillshare, guys. Literally, it's like one of the best places to go to like to learn new skills. Like seriously, I know this is like a sponsored ad and stuff, but if you guys are trying to level up your game, you cannot go wrong with this website. So check it out, guys. Anyway, guys, I think it's time we can open up this mystery box now. Again, this one is from Cam's Kicks, and I gotta tell you guys, like, I know a lot of people were requesting this box and stuff, and I wanted to do it. I have not met Cam before. I've seen like a couple of the YouTube videos and stuff. He's got pretty cool content, but I've also heard like a lot of like negative things about the shop, which is unfortunate. And I'm not sure if this is valid or whatnot. Obviously, people are gonna have mixed opinions about a shop, but I always try to give you guys like the best perspective on if these boxes are good or not. So I want to give you like the negative about this too. So what I did see is that if you guys do Google like Cam's Kicks on Google, the Yelp reviews for the store is not very good. And I know Yelp reviews are like whatever, you know, literally anybody can write anything, but it was like a 1-star rating or like a 1 and a 1.5 star rating or something, and it was just not like a lot of good things that I was seeing in there. I saw issues about fake shoes and stuff. There's issues about mask and whatever, which I know is like a polarizing subject, but I just saw all of that and it made me kind of hesitant, like, oh man, I hope I didn't buy a bad box. But again, I don't know the person. The shop seems okay, and I mean, obviously it's a very popular YouTube channel, so we got to see what we got. So let's open it up and take a look. First thing that I see, everything is packed really nice in here, so that's a good thing, right? Shows that he actually cares about the boxes and stuff. I like that a lot, but it always comes down to the content of the sneakers. So the first thing that we got in here is a size 12.5 Jordan 11 box, and for the first shoe, it looks like we have a pair of dead stock Jordan 11 Low Concords. I mean, I want to say that this is dead stock. I don't see any issues on this at all, so this is a great way to start off a box. Jordan 11 Low Concords definitely have a lot of resale value. Size 12.5 isn't the most ideal size, but it's also a rare size, so it should fetch a good amount of money. Bottoms obviously are also very icy, so that's how you know it's DS, brand new. So good starting shoe over here, classic colorway, and just a really overall nice sleek sneaker. I like what I see so far, can't complain about that, but we got a long way to go to catch up on the value over here. And also, as a quick heads up to you guys, if you guys do want to buy any of the shoes in this box, they will be located on untiedhawaii.com. I sell all of the shoes in the mystery box on that website over there, so you guys can check it out if you guys want to cop like that Concord 11 or whatever else is in here. Untiedhawaii.com. All right, so we got the next one over here. This looks like a, ooh yeah, I was gonna say a Nike Sakai box, size 10.5 Nike Sakai. And for this one, oh nice, okay. Oh, this one might be dead stock too, actually. Dude, we're rolling if they're all dead stock shoes. That's crazy. On the size tag over here, I guess when he was selling it in the shop, he was selling it for 580 bucks, which I know kind of offhand that would be like dead stock price for the shoe. So I'm guessing this one is DS. And honestly, it's a really nice shoe. This black colorway for the Sakai, really cool. Definitely a unique sneaker. I never really liked that this upper was like see-through material. It really forces you to like have a strong sock game because you can't really just wear any kind of socks. I don't see any issues with this shoe at all though. Everything looks pretty clean on it. And again, bottoms are definitely clean and it looks to be unworn. So another dead stock shoe. This one is a Yeezy 700 box though, and it is a size 11. And this one looks to be our first worn sneaker. It looks like, finally. Dang, this is actually a really nice condition worn sneaker though. Even though it's like slightly worn, the bottoms and stuff don't look too bad. So another good one over here. It does have the price tag on the shoe over here as well. He was trying to sell this one in the shop for 250 bucks. I actually like that they have these size tags on the shoe. I'm gonna say that straight up, because if you guys are like new to sneaker mystery boxes and stuff, it helps a lot to see what they were trying to sell it for in the shop. So when you guys are breaking down the values and stuff of the shoe, you can kind of have a better picture of what the cost is. This one is the Geode 700 though. It's a brown Yeezy, not much to say here. Again, if you guys want to check out the packaging on the box, this one is what it looks like. Pretty well packed. Okay, so 2 shoes left in this box, and this one I'm sure you guys are familiar with. Definitely a Yeezy V1 box. This one is a size 9.5 though. 9.5. Yo, okay. And I believe that these are called the Oxford Tans. And this one is in super solid condition. Whoa, wait, actually, and this one is in dead stock condition? No way, man. $2,600 box again. This one is a DS. That's kind of crazy. This is really crazy to see in dead stock condition, man. This gotta be at least worth like, I don't know, $1,000. So this is kind of insane. Yeezy 350 V1 Oxford Tan colorway. I honestly think that these are the best like Yeezy 350 models in my opinion. Earlier colorways and stuff are really iconic and unique. I don't see any issues with this. Boost looks good over here. And so I'm gonna break right here. There's actually 1 shoe left in this box, and I want to break really fast because I want to say, like, I'm a little bit concerned about this. Like, I did not reach out to Cam, like I said, and I don't know this person personally. And I actually used my personal email as well, which doesn't have like Untied Hawaii or anything in the name either. So I really kind of just like went low key on it. But I'm starting to wonder like if this is like a hooked up box. Like, you know, you see how crazy this box is and stuff. Everything in here is like a banger so far. Like, we got 3 DS shoes, 1 slightly worn shoe, and you never see like brand new like Oxford Tans in a mystery box. So this is kind of crazy. If this really is how the mystery boxes are, then this would be like one of the best mystery box sites like ever. I'm not sure though, because this is my first box that I ever bought from them, but from what I'm seeing so far, this might be one of the best mystery box sites ever, or we might have just got really unlucky and seen like a very hooked up box. So I'm hoping that's not the case, man. I'm really hoping, because I want to show you guys authentic experiences, but I don't know, it's getting a little bit crazy. So let's check out that last shoe and see what we got. All right, and so the last box over here, this one looks to be, I mean, you guys already know what it is with this. Jordan 1 box, but it's a pretty unique Jordan 1 box, and this one is in a size 10.5. I don't know, man. This is getting kind of nuts, because over here, dude, no freaking way. Are you serious? You gotta be kidding me. Okay, I am really confused here, guys. This one is a brand new Travis Scott 1 Low. And normally I would get super excited, you know, like, okay, this would be a really crazy end to the box. This is the money sneaker of the box. Very dope to see. But I'm just really like concerned that this might be a hooked up box. Like, I really want to make sure that these experiences and stuff are authentic and that you guys are getting like accurate representation as consumers if you guys want to buy these boxes. But 4 brand new shoes in a box, 4 brand new shoes, 1 that is like slightly worn, and all of the shoes are pretty much bangers. So again, I'm gonna give Cam the benefit of the doubt here and say this was not hooked up, and say that this box is just insane, and maybe this is how all of his beater boxes go. But I don't know. I've never seen like other Cam's Kicks mystery boxes on YouTube yet. I'm not sure if people are like opening them up, so it's really hard to say off of 1 box. But like I mentioned, gonna give him the benefit of the doubt and say this is probably one of the best boxes I've ever seen in my life. So this is the Travis Scott 1 over here. He was trying to sell this size 10.5 for $11.50 in store. This one is brand new dead stock, like I mentioned. I don't see anything wrong on this shoe at all. Even the lace bag is still attached over here, so that's crazy to see. Looks pretty authentic to me. Nothing wrong here. This box, like, this box is insane. This is really like a crazy way to start off the year with like a strong mystery box. Like, I really want to say this is a very profitable box. Just the fact that they're mainly DS shoes, you can sell these things very quickly. So if this is how most of the boxes go, this is probably one of the best mystery boxes like on the planet. Definitely like check out Cam's Kicks, I guess, and try to see if you guys can do more research on YouTube to see if there's more beater boxes and stuff out there. Additionally, if you yourself have bought in a box from Cam's Kicks before, can you guys please comment in the comments below what your contents were in your box, your price point, I really want to see if these are a good deal for people, and I never ever see beater boxes with like 4DS shoes. That's why I'm a little bit hesitant with this one, but overall, if this is a legit box, dude, like I said, this is going to be crazy and a good place to buy mystery boxes. But yeah, if you guys do want to buy any of these shoes, again, they will be on untiedhawaii.com. Thank you guys for watching this video, and let me know your guys' thoughts about this mystery box. But that's actually it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!